defined as a solid figure or an object which has three dimensions, namely length, height and width. This is a net of a triangular prism, and with the help of this net, I have made this triangular prism which has 5 faces, 6 edges and 9 vertices. This is the net of a hexagonal prism which has 8 faces, 18 edges and 12 vertices. This is a net of a cuboid which has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. This is a net of a cube which has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. This is a net of a cylinder which has 3 faces and 2 edges, and due to its round shape, it has no vertices. Thank you.
1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. The object have 8 parts. Is called a fraction.
This is the integers book. Integers means positive number 0 and negative numbers together form a group of numbers are called the group of integers. 0 is called the origin. On the right hand side there are positive numbers and on the left hand side there are negative numbers. We have always seen people with opposite opinion leads to negative conclusions. Similarly, in operations of integer, like two similar signs are always positive and two opposite signs are always negative. Formula of integers is this: plus plus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus and minus plus minus. The plus sign is generally not written before the positive numbers, but the minus sign is always written before the negative numbers. Example, if we take plus 3 and minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, the answer is minus 1.
Thank you. To make finding square a bit entertaining, I have made the square house. This is used for finding square of numbers. It has two windows. One window shows the number and the other window shows the square of that number. For example, the square of 6 is 36. The square of 7 is 49. The square of 8 is 64. We can change the number by rotating the stick on the side of the square house. Isn't finding square of any number fun with the square house?
So this is my model. Its name is Square Learner. So I am going to read some of the squares. Square of 1 is 1. The square of 2 is 4. The square of 3 is 9. The square of 4 is 16. The square of 5 is 25. The square of 6 is 36. The square of 7 is 49. The square of 8 is 64. The square of 9 is 81. The square of 10. You all liked it. Thank you.
This is the LCM project. I am going to show you how to find out the LCM of 2, 4 and 8. We'll have to add the number in each row by itself till we get all the numbers equal on the board or beyond it. In first row, we'll have to keep adding 2 till I get the number 8. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Now in second row, I will have to keep adding 4 till I get the biggest number, that is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So now all the numbers are equal in every row. Finally, we have got our LCM for the numbers 2, 4 and 8, which is 8.
To find out highest common factor HCF of any number very easily. Now I am going to find out HCF of 6 and 10. Now keep 6 coins over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now keep 10 coins over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 6 is less than 10, so eliminate 6 coins from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Eliminate them. 4 is less than 6, so eliminate 4 coins from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is less than 4, so eliminate 2 coins from 4. 1 and 2. Here 2, here 2, both are equal. So the HCF of 6 and 10 is 2. In this way, we can find out the HCF of any number very easily. Thank you.
Maths working model is 29 multiplication circle. 29 minus 29, 29 into 58, 29 to the 87, 29 for the 6, 29 for the 45, 29 to 7 for 74, 29 for the 203, 29 is the 232, 29 9 the 261, 29 10 the 290, 29 11 the 390, 390, 29 12 the 348.
Cylindrical city which are in various shapes. The entry is in form of semicircular shape. Here you can see this building. This is in rectangle shape, and above this building there is solar panel. This is also in rectangle shape, and behind solar panel there is triangle shape, and there is star shape also. Here you can see this mall. This is also in rectangle shape, and you can see this window. These are in square shape. Above mall there is solar panel which is in rectangle shape. Here the hospital is in rectangle shape, and above hospital there is roof which is in pentagonal shape, and above roof there is generator which is also in rectangle shape. The temple of the park is in square shape, and the pillars of temples are in cylindrical shape, and the roof of the temple is in hexagon shape, and above hexagon there is pentagon shape, and above pentagon there is oval shape, and above oval there is circle shape, and you can see this triangle also. The slide is in rectangle shape, and you can see this swing. This is in rectangle shape also. You can see this merry-go-round. This is in octagonal shape. The signal is in oval shape, and the lights of the signals are in circle shape. And above and behind signal there you can see this swimming pool. This is in circle shape. The house roof is in rectangle shape. The tank is in form of cylindrical shape, and above tank there is circle shape.
This is the model of Pythagoras theorem. We can prove Pythagoras theorem by this model. It shows limited number of Pythagorean triplets. So now I am going to show one of them. I am going to show you 8 square plus 6 square equals to 10 square. So we will take 8 square on the base. This is the base. So we will take 8 square. So now on the height side we are going to take it till 6. This will be our hypotenuse. So we are going to take it till 6. So we get 10 on the hypotenuse side, which proves that 8 square plus 6 square equals to 10 square.
Beginning myths are made on small model on circle, which we are studying from standard 6 to 7. There are two small types, which are circle and encircle. So I have taken encircle, which the circle is made inside the triangle. There are angle A, angle B and angle C. So angle B is 55 degrees and angle C is 40 degrees. For measuring angles, I have taken 360 degree protractor and at bottom I have written all the properties which are here. Properties on the in-circle.
Model name is movable triangle. Movable triangle. By the help of this device, we can understand various concepts of triangle like scaling triangle, where all the sides of the triangle are uneven. They are not equal. Then isosceles triangle. A triangle where two sides of the triangle are equal and the third one is not is called as an isosceles triangle. Then an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle where all sides of the triangle are equal. Next, a right angle triangle. A triangle where one angle of the triangle is of 90 degrees is called as right angle triangle. Next, obtuse angle triangle. When one angle of the triangle is more than 90 degrees is called as obtuse angle triangle. Next, acute angle triangle. When one of the angle of the triangle is less than 90 degrees, then it is called as acute angle triangle. Next, the Pythagoras Theorem. The sum of square of